Are we drowning in digital subscriptions? Raise your hand if you've ever signed up for a free trial and then completely forgotten about it, only to realize you're being charged months later. Guilty? Yeah, me too. Welcome to the wonderful and sometimes frustrating world of subscription overload, where everything from your movies to your cat's food can arrive with just a monthly charge. But are we all getting a little too subscribed? How did we get here? Once upon a time, we bought stuff outright. You wanted a movie? You bought the DVD. You wanted music? You grabbed a CD or downloaded it once. But these days, you can subscribe to everything: Netflix, Disney Plus, Amazon Prime, Spotify, Apple Music, the gym, online magazines, even meditation apps. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if someone out there had a subscription service for socks. Don't Google it, it's real. It's convenient for sure, but all these little monthly charges are adding up faster than you can say auto renew. And that brings us to subscription fatigue. What is subscription fatigue? Subscription fatigue is the growing realization that while individually small, all those subscriptions are starting to cost a fortune. That $7.99 a month for your favorite streaming service doesn't seem like much until you multiply it by 5 other services and toss in your magazine app and that food delivery box you forgot to cancel 3 months ago. Suddenly, you're staring at your bank statement thinking, am I paying rent for all these services? Signs you might have subscription overload. You have to scroll through multiple pages of apps and services to figure out what you're actually subscribed to. You get excited when you see a charge and then immediately wonder, wait, what even is that service? Your inbox is a digital minefield of your subscription will renew soon emails. You can no longer keep track of which platform has the show you want to watch, so you subscribe to them all. Problem solved, right? The psychology behind subscription fatigue. Subscription services are tricky little things. The low monthly fee makes them seem harmless until they start stacking up. Companies love this model because it plays on your psychology. You're much less likely to cancel a service if the fee feels small, and they bank on you not noticing that these small fees have snowballed into a giant money-sucking avalanche. So what can you do about it? If your subscription list is looking more like a novel, it's time for some digital housekeeping. Here are a few simple steps to regain control of your subscriptions and maybe save a little cash along the way. Do a subscription audit. Take a close look at your bank statements or use a subscription management app to see what services you're actually paying for. Prepare to be shocked. Cancel what you don't use. Haven't logged into that yoga app since your New Year's resolution, which fizzled out in February? Hit that unsubscribe button. You'll thank yourself later. Combine where possible. Some services bundle other subscriptions together. For example, you might already have Hulu through your Spotify account, or Apple One's bundle that combines music, TV, cloud storage, and more. Set reminders for free trials. Use your phone's calendar or a reminder app to alert you before a free trial ends. No more sneaky charges. Switch to annual billing. If there's something you can't live without, consider paying for an annual subscription instead of monthly. It's usually cheaper overall. The joy of letting go. Subscribing from things you don't need can be incredibly freeing. It's like clearing out the clutter in your home. Suddenly, your life feels lighter, your wallet a little thicker, and your bank statement no longer looks like a horror movie. And the best part, you might find yourself with extra cash to treat yourself to something you actually want. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.